Thanks, guys. I love you all.
Come to the dark side. We have cookies.
What's up, everybody? I'm on my way to the gym right now, and it is a beautiful day after the hurricane came through. It was storming all last night and even this morning, but that quickly went away, and it is beautiful outside. It's like mid-70s right now, and it is fantastic. The gym is not far away at all, so I'm probably gonna end up making like 2 separate videos there and back. So I have the MRI schedule that I'm supposed to get for my back next week, next Friday or Thursday or whatever it is. It's like the 13th or something like that. No, that's not right. It's like the 18th. Yeah, 18th. And well, my insurance expires on the 15th, and I have a way of increasing it, but because it's the military, I have to like mail something in. I have to fill out a bunch of forms and mail like something else in after I get the first thing in the mail back, and it's super stupid. And I'm really afraid I'm gonna have to either postpone it or not have insurance when I do it, just because of how complicated this is being, and it's out of my control. Like, I'm doing things as fast as I can, but like I literally have to wait on the mail to get insurance, and that's just upsetting. But yeah, I hope that goes well, and I hope my MRI goes well, and I hope I have insurance to pay for it. But you know how that be. Maybe you don't. You probably don't. I'm here with my boy Lee. We're gonna go to the gym and work out. Why do you hate me? Bye! Just got out the gym. What's up, everybody? Yeah, so basically I'm a little upset about my whole insurance ordeal. I don't know how it's gonna go. I really hate how the government works for that. But I'm doing what I can do, I guess. But at least I got to go hit the gym. But again, thanks for the encouraging messages you guys send me, and for the subscribers and all the likes and comments, and you guys are so fantastic, and I love all of you. Yeah, this is like a quick update though. I thought I would tell you guys about my MRI thing, because I know you don't care, but I feel like talking, so I was going to tell you guys anyway, make a little short little video, and you're just going to have to suck it up and deal with it and listen to my video because you love me. Notification squad, hashtag what up. But yeah, do you guys, like, I'm interested, whatever. Do you guys actually have to deal with insurance problems like that? Like, have you gone to go to like a dentist or a doctor's office or something and just had trouble with insurances? I don't know how it is in the civilian world. Mine's typically been covered with the military. It's just I've literally never gone to a doctor before, and of course now that I'm getting out, I have to go to the doctor, and of course that's when my thing expires, and that's when I need it. So, you know, that's how the world works though, right? You have something until you need it, and then it's gone. Yeah, that's exactly what I'm going through right now. But yeah, that's all I got for today. So thanks for tagging along. Probably a really short video. Just wanted to update you guys, because I know my last video I said I was getting the MRI done or whatever, and I'm gonna have to wait another week on that. So yeah. But yeah, that's it though. Thanks, guys. I love you all. That's it. See you guys next time. Always remember, if you have any sort of medical problems, go get it taken care of right away, and don't procrastinate. You'll end up like me. And trust me, children, you do not want to end up like me.
Come to the dark side. We have cookies.